Okay guys, I have an exercise here for you. It's called nightclub entry check, and we will use logical operators. So our goal is to check if you can go to the nightclub or you can't. So how it goes? We have rules here. So you can enter if you are 18 or older and you have a ticket. So you can see that we have the logical operators in the rules, because it's normal if you say your rules out loud, there will be and or the second logical operator or. Okay, so we can see, okay, and is here. So you can enter if you are 18 or older and you have a ticket, or you can enter if you are on the VIP list and it doesn't matter which age you are. Otherwise you cannot enter. So the first thing is that we need some information from the user. At first I would like to ask about age. So input, enter your age. You can do it by yourself if you want to try. After that I would ask about ticket, has ticket. So input, do you have a ticket? The answer will be yes or no, something like this, and we will put it here lower only for sure. So it means that everything will be transformed to lowercase. Every letter will be lower. And is VIP. So input like this. Are you on the VIP list? Again, yes, no. And again, I would put here lower. Okay, great. At first, I will print it. Age, has ticket, is VIP. It's only for checking. So I will need to control if everything is okay so far. I would run it. Age, for example, 22. Do you have a ticket? Yes, no. So 22, yes, no. Okay, it seems it goes well. No mistake, no error. Perfect. I will raise it so we control it. And now the rules. Okay, so I would like to make the rules like this. So welcome to the club, and else print sorry, you cannot enter. Okay, so now the question is how the if statement goes. So you can enter if you are 18 or older. Okay, so the age is greater or equal to 18. So after that we can print welcome to the club, right? Perfect. But you has to, or you need to have a ticket. So age is greater than 18 or equal to 18, and at the same time you need to have a ticket. So we will use and has ticket is equal to yes. Okay, and this is the first part. Perfect. After that, so you have a ticket, your age is okay, so you can go, welcome to the club. What about the VIP status? Or you can enter if you are on the VIP list. Okay, and we don't care about age. Okay, so is VIP, and it will be here. But here it can be and, right? Because if you write something like this, it doesn't make sense. Okay, because it means that every condition, we have three conditions here, every condition has to be true. So it means that your age has to be greater than or equal, greater or equal 18, and at the same time you need to have a ticket. At the same time you has to be in VIP list, but it doesn't fit with our rules, right? So here it's not and, it's or. Okay, I hope it makes sense. So it's this or this. So here is bad, or I will show you if it works. So age is, for example, 22, so the age is correct. Has ticket? Yes, but we are not on the VIP list. So welcome to the club, because it's correct. We have a ticket and the age is okay. If the age is 10, we don't have a ticket, but yes, we are on the VIP list. Welcome to the club. Okay, maybe it's slightly weird, right? But it fits with rules. That's okay for us. Okay, great. But here, only for clarity, you can put here the brackets, like to say, okay, evaluate this at first, okay, and after that, or is VIP yes. So this is you saw that without the bracket it works fine. There is no problem, but here is only for clarity. It's better to read it, right? So you can read it like, okay, at first we evaluate this. It has some connection between because it's in brackets, and after that we evaluate is VIP equal to yes. Okay, so you can write it or you don't have to. It's completely up to you. Okay, great. I think we can be satisfied.